Hello friends, I'm Robin Fiked at Stamping Country. Welcome to my stamping studio. Today I'm going to show you some tips and tricks for using your punches and getting the most out of them. I'm going to show you the Umbrella Builder Punch, the Tulip Builder Punch, the Heart Punch Pack, we're actually just going to use this one, and then the Small Blossom Punch. They all coordinate with the Pleased as Punch designer paper, which is a new coordination paper that's available for just a limited amount of time. Love this paper. I'm going to show you first the solid punch. You want to open your punch, and then you just slip your paper in and punch. Now I'm showing you with designer paper, but you can also use these tips elsewhere. So to get to the next heart, I simply need to snip off the paper and I can punch the next heart. So that's pretty straightforward. Make sure you use two hands on your punches. Now for these blossoms, I don't want the partial blossoms. I want the whole blossoms. So I'm going to snip away till I get to the whole flowers and just eliminate the little partial flowers. And you can see how easy that is to bring in my punch and punch the flowers. Super duper quick and easy. Now make sure you save that paper that you've snipped away, because I'm going to show you some things that you can do with that. Now with the Umbrella Builder Punch, you can see that there's 3 different punches, so you can waste a lot of paper with this if you just slip it in. Now these umbrellas at the bottom are going to be really easy. I can just slip that in and get my umbrella. Simple, no waste. But if I want to get an umbrella further up, I may need to snip around and to make so that I don't waste paper. So I'm going to, it's sort of the same concept that we used before. And then you can just punch. And you can see I'm not wasting the paper. Let me show you, for example, what I mean. Say I wanted that polka dotted umbrella there. If I just slip that in, look at all the waste I'm going to have down below. That would all be wasted on. Now, another problem that you have with punches is sometimes the paper's so small, it's just so hard to get in the punch. If you simply put a piece of sticky note or post-it note and hook it to the paper, it's easy to slip into the punch and manage. Now, about those scraps. This little umbrella handle, I found that all these little dainty flowers make fantastic handles. If I wanted just a straight handle, I could just punch one out of solid paper or stamp that. But these little flowers give me fancy little handles, and I just love it. I hope you found these tips for using your punch helpful. If you did, be sure to like, and if you haven't already, subscribe. Thanks so much, and have a fabulous day.